Greenland, 56,000 people, no roads between cities, and right now is the most geopolitically contested piece of land on the planet. Here's what the headlines miss. This isn't about Trump wanting to buy real estate. This is about the Arctic becoming the new Mediterranean, the crossroad of global power, really. Because when the sea ice melts, three things happen. New shipping routes open up, cutting the journey from Asia to Europe by around 40%. Trillions of dollars in rare earth metals become accessible, and suddenly military positioning in the high north matters enormously. The US has Thule Air Base, now called Pituffik Air Base, which is 700 miles from the North Pole. Russia has been rebuilding Cold War Arctic bases since 2014, and China calls itself a near-Arctic state. They're not even close geographically, but they are there strategically. And Denmark owns Greenland according to the constitution, but Greenland has its own parliament, its own prime minister, and a growing independence movement. So we have an island that belongs to a small Nordic country that the world's three largest powers all want a piece of. That's not a real estate story. That's a structural shift in the global order. And that's what this channel is about. So follow. More is yet to come.